Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on Figma. To do that, click main menu in the upper left and go down to help and account and click on the account settings. Then from here, just simply click on the security tab and you will see the enable two-factor authentication. Just simply click on that. Here you will need to get one of these apps, whether it's Duo Mobile, Microsoft Authenticator, or you can use the Google Authenticator, right? You can also set it to send an SMS to your phone instead. So if you have, for example, a Google Authenticator, which you can download from the Play Store, just simply click on that option. It's going to open up this window and just kind of tell you what you need to do. Install a Google Authenticator, follow these instructions, and then you will proceed. Now, next thing for you to do is to simply click on next, and you will need to open the authenticator and scan this code. You can go ahead and scan this barcode and add it to that Google Authenticator, or you can go ahead and take the 6-digit code that you have and enter it there and then verify. Once the verification is successful, then you'll be able to activate and enable two-factor authentication or two-factor authenticator on the Google Authenticator app. And this is going to complete the process to enable two-factor authenticator in the app. So once this is enabled, all you have to do the next time when you try to sign in, you'll sign in with your password, but then it's going to ask for a code from the authentication that you set up, which is the Google Authenticator, whichever one you choose. Enter that code that is there, and that's going to complete the process to be able to log you in afterwards. And that's pretty much it.